mate. Yeah.
I'm trying it pretty to get some crabs. Hey, make sure, Master, you don't stump your toes on a, you know what? I'm looking for crabs, whether you like it or not. I remember the taste, and it tastes lovely. There's a few crab holes, so maybe I'll find some. Right over here, going through the trees. That looks suspicious. Nothing there. DJ hasn't got anything either. A bit deserted today. Normally there's some crabs walking. And I'll pick up one or two and rip the nippers off. But yeah, we'll have to find out.
It is possible to do that. And somehow the weather always cooperates in a fashion.
Yeah, let me do the Peter.
Don't walk ahead of me. I'm the king of the jungle. Put your eyes, master. Don't just stare at the screen. You can see me at home too, so don't rush it. Trying to catch up with Strudewoods, the little crab. He eats crab nowadays. See if he gets nothing else to eat. He's turning into seafood boy, into the seafood thing. You know, Strudewoods. Oh well, let him. It's his choice. There's a pool there.
I wish I could see a fish. A mullet would do me. If there's anything bigger, I call for this to back up. I wish there was a school of mullets or sardines or something floating on the surface right there, just slowly moving. I surely would plunge my face into it, trying to get a hold of their necks. That little fish's last moment.
Yes, I'm trying to locate Charlie, my friend. We worked in Hollywood together. I forget what the movie was called, but I think it was called The Sharp Teeth of Jennison, which is a river in the Amazon jungle, and that's where Charlie and I cooperated and signed the contract to do the movie. I remember him fondly because he was quite a comedian, really. He had sharp, big teeth, but boy, he made me laugh. And he put everyone at ease because he was looking fearsome. But unfortunately, he retired in America and I retired here in Australia. So I've got the beaches which look like the Amazon River, and I've got two masters that look after me. Yeah, that was the story about Charlie. He loved living, that guy.
Hello. Hello, how are you? Hello, master. You're sitting here doing nothing? Is that the latest trend, is it? You come out here to the beach and sit down? Come on. At least Adam is walking.
I heard your conversation. About coming to the beach and sitting down like, you know what? At least we dogs we move on four legs. And you guys, you're a shame to your species. See me walking, and the bigger you guys get, the more often you sit down. Not like Strudewoods.
Hey, Strudewoods! What do you think?
really fishy now, isn't it? Really fishy. Oh, there's no refuge here. No, I better go back to where Master is. Alright, I'm back. Look at the waves surging in. Yeah.
Let him go, I'll capture it. Go ahead, Charlie, loosen that. Oh, look at the size. Oh, here we go. Big whale coming.
Hang on, mate. Give us another 3 minutes because the shower is going to go. It's the safest place right here. Oh, water coming in.
Yeah, Master. Anyway. My phone comes rubbish.
Yeah. All right, put it away.
Go.
All right.